Welcome all you Zontes maniacs. A quick video on all the 703 cubic centimeters range. The correct tightening sequence of the throttle body lower housing collar. Please ensure you tighten in the correct sequence as in the video. The torque setting is 6 to 8 Newton meters. This video is for dealer knowledge. And for all you self-maintenance guys. Please like and subscribe. Until next time. Mad Mick.
I'm coming for the throne.